In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of M1 Finance versus Fidelity versus Vanguard, three highly respected investing platforms that cater to different styles of investors. Whether you're just starting out, planning for the long term, or looking for advanced tools, I'll walk you through how each one stacks up so you can decide which one is the best fit for you. Let's begin with M1 Finance. M1 Finance is known for its modern, user-friendly approach and automation features. You build what they call a pie, essentially a portfolio of stocks and ETFs, and M1 automatically invests and rebalances your money based on the percentages you choose. This makes it very appealing for someone who wants to set things up once and let them run, rather than constantly trading. It offers fractional shares, so you can invest small amounts and diversify more easily. The fees are low, and the interface is clean and intuitive. On the flip side, M1 Finance doesn't offer as many investment types as some competitors. For example, mutual fund selection is limited compared to others. If you're an active trader wanting frequent trades or many investment options, that might be a limitation. Next up is Fidelity. Fidelity is one of the largest full-service brokerages and brings a deep set of features, excellent research tools, a wide selection of investments, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and strong customer support. It works very well whether you're trading actively or building for the long term. Relative to M1, Fidelity gives you more flexibility and more robust platform capabilities. According to many reviews, Fidelity outperforms M1 in terms of customer service and advanced investing features. Brokerage Review +1. The trade-off is that if you're a complete beginner and primarily want automation with minimal setup, Fidelity might feel a little more complex and hands-on than M1 Finance. Lastly, we have Vanguard. Vanguard is legendary for its low-cost index funds and long-term investing philosophy. If your goal is buy and hold, build a diversified portfolio of funds, minimize fees, and let time work its magic, Vanguard is often cited as one of the best choices. Reviews highlight Vanguard's strong selection of funds and very competitive expense ratios. Investopedia +1. On the downside, Vanguard's platform is considered more basic in its trading tools and user interface compared to newer competitors. Its mobile experience and ease of use may lag behind more modern apps. For someone who wants advanced tools or frequent trading, Vanguard might feel less flexible. So, to sum up how they compare, if you are looking for automation, simplicity, and intuitive design, and you're comfortable taking a more set-and-forget approach, M1 Finance is a great fit. If you want a full-feature brokerage with wide investment options, strong tools, and customer support, Fidelity offers excellent all-round value. And if your aim is long-term, low-cost, passive investing via index funds, and you care deeply about minimizing fees, Vanguard stands out. Each platform shines in a different area, so the best one depends on how you like to invest, how often you'll interact, and what your goals are. Let me know in the comments if you've tried M1 Finance, Fidelity, or Vanguard, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest, easy-to-understand reviews of investing platforms and financial tools.